everybody, I am excited to be back today with my next design team package from FotoBella. I will be designing for the month of July. So this is one of my favorite things, is opening up these boxes and seeing what I will be working with for the month. So let's see what FotoBella sent me this time. All right, so I'm seeing some red, white, and blue, which obviously for 4th of July is perfect. Get all these goodies out of here. Move this. All right, so I love red, white, and blue things. So this is gonna be so much fun. So what I have is FotoBella papers. So starting with this, I have some basic blue toned cardstock. These are from My Mind's Eye. So there are 6 different colors here, so a whole range. That's awesome. And it'll go perfectly with the God Bless America papers from FotoBella. And so this looks like so much fun. There's so much that I can do with this. So I'm thinking definitely some layouts for 4th of July. My niece and nephews and their parents are coming to visit me for the 4th of July, and I make a scrapbook for my niece. So I might actually try to do a layout for her scrapbook using this to share with you guys. So this is so much fun. So there's all kinds of images here. So very classic Americana type paper, but also a lot you can do with these different things too for other times of the year. So some of these plaids would be great for some picnic stuff for summertime. So just really, really fun. And then I'm gonna open this one up so we can flip through and see some of these papers. And it looks like this is the coordinating 6x6 paper pad. So this is just the smaller version of this, so we can see what's in here. All the firework paper. Oh, and they're double-sided. Love double-sided papers, but sometimes it's hard to choose which side to use. So that's cute with the Star Spangled Banner with the music on it. Ooh, some fireworks. Love it. All those banners. That's really cute. Love floral papers, flags, and plaid. Very, very pretty images, very classic, very clean. Cut apart cards. Some banners you can cut. It looks like then it just repeats, and so there are, I think, 3 of each of 8 designs, and so that will be a really good complement there. And then we have the ephemera pieces. So it looks like there are 2 different ephemera. Oh, there's frames and tags in ephemera. And so we've got all the little ephemera pieces. And I love the collections that have these little extra add-ons because it just makes it so easy to coordinate things and the projects go together so wonderfully. I like the little frames and tags too. That's really cute. And then these look like so much fun. So sprinklets. Get these out of the bag. So definitely, all right. So we've got some stars and some confetti, and then we've got some little swirls and some stars. These are really cute. Firecrackers and Star Spangled, so definitely 4th of July themed. These will be great in shaker elements, and so definitely something that can be really fun. So I'm gonna have to find something really neat to do with these just to highlight and emphasize just how cool and how cute those will be. And then to embellish further, we've got the Triumphant Red Graphic 45 Roses. These are a really good addition to the different projects too, and so it will just definitely add some extra something to this. So these are all of my goodies here. So we've got the plain cardstock, we've got the collection, we've got the smaller paper pad, the ephemera and the frames and tags, these cute little sprinklets embellishments, and then the graphic 45 flowers. So it looks like I'm going to be doing a very patriotic month for the month of July. So if you are interested in this collection, you can head over to FotoBella.com and pick these up. I will link this in the description box below. And you can also get a discount if you sign up for their email list. I think it's a 12% discount, so it's really nice. And if you are interested in seeing what I make with this collection, please tune into the FotoBella blog later during the month, or you can come back and check out my YouTube channel and see what I post. Thank you for watching and have a great day.